Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can fix your black screen in TBH Taskbar Hero. Okay, now this is a problem that I've seen a lot online and it has to do really with the full screen compatibility issues because Windows, what it tries to do is, because this is like app, it tries to make us like full screen and it's not working because this is designed to actually go not like full screen, but it's designed to go idle. Okay, it's supposed to be minimized. So the Windows transparency layers kind of mess that up. So guys, what are you gonna do? You're just gonna have to locate your executable file, which is this one here, Taskbar Hero. In my case, it's basically like Steam, like program files, Steam apps, common, Taskbar Hero. Most of you are gonna have it in Steam, so this is the directory you're looking for basically. So you're gonna have to right click on this. You're gonna have to select properties and that's gonna take you here. Now you can select compatibility and you're gonna click on disable full screen optimizations. Alright, just click on apply, click on OK, and just restart the game. And I guarantee you that for most of you this is gonna work. This is perfect fix. Okay, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.